Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today I'm going to show you this here, the brand new Impala Mila 28mm electric fuel pump without a stop sensor. This is a 12-volt liquid transfer pump for gasoline, for diesel, for oil, and of course for water. It's a portable transfer pump with a flexible smart device stack, as you can see. You have two buttons on and off, but you only need one button because automatic shut off the system. Really smart. The diameter of the intake nozzle is 28mm. You have to check before you buy this whether it fits to your canister. It's not suited for iron barrels or 5-liter oil barrels on the market. We have here a full tank and a battery, which makes a good job, yeah? It's upgraded with a narrow pump nozzle. It's suited for more tank openings and oil canisters. The intake manifold has a diameter of 28mm. We should check this before, of course, but you see, it matches really good in my canister in my car too. No problem for it. And the oil canister adapters are included in different sizes. This allowing a secure connection with the most European canisters. We make sure the size of the canister is compatible with the adapter before we can use the pump, of course. The Impala Mila's automatic transfer fuel pump delivers up to 12 liters per minute. These are 3.2 gallons per minute for gasoline, diesel, kerosene, or service water. The integrated auto-stop mechanism prevents the overflow and automatically stops the flow right once the tank is full. The built-in locking clap fixes the full gun securely to the container so that we have our hands free. The 130mm long section hose, it's made of high-strength corrosion-resistant polyethylene, is particularly robust and durable. That's it for a safe liquid transfer over a long distance. This multifunctional electric transfer pump is ready for use in a few seconds. The only thing you will need is 4 times AA batteries, which are not included. The portable storage bag ensures that our pump is always at the hand, either for cars, for motorcycle, for boats, for lawnmowers, for generators too, for snowblowers, and, of course, for aquariums. That's a cool feature. This practical fuel pump is either for everybody who needs to transport liquid from position A to position B. It's good for on the road. That means you can make it possible to get it on vacation trips. Or, of course, you use it in your home, in your garage or something else. To make a fast transmission, to make an auto-stop sensor, to make it 2 power supplies possibilities, and easy to transport and storage. After the job is done, you can use it for another liquid as well, and easy operating. We have an anti-overflow 3.2 GPM for petrol, for water, for diesel, for oil. It's not for drinking water, it's not for hot water or chemical liquids. But anything else can be transported, of course. We have adapters included. 3 adapters are included to make a good job, and it will be matches to your canister, as shown in my canister. On 2 of that canisters, it matches really good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Done.